Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your freelancing efficiency with Monday.com, full guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your freelancing efficiency with Monday.com, begin by creating a Monday.com account. Visit the website and sign up using your email or social media accounts. Once you're logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Take a moment to explore the templates available. Select a template that suits your specific freelancing needs, such as project management or client tracking. After choosing a template, start customizing it to fit your workflow. Add relevant columns, such as deadlines, status, and priority levels. Incorporate automations to streamline repetitive tasks. Set reminders for deadlines and follow-ups to stay on track. Create separate boards for different clients or projects to maintain organization. Invite collaborators or clients to boards as necessary for transparency. Use the timeline view to visualize project schedules and deadlines. Regularly update the status of tasks to keep everything current. Utilize the comments section within each task for communication and clarification. Review the progress regularly, making adjustments as needed to stay efficient. Integrate Monday.com with other tools you use for a seamless workflow. Leverage the reporting features to track your productivity and project completion rates. Periodically assess your setup to optimize and adjust as your freelancing needs evolve. By following these steps, you will maximize your efficiency using Monday.com in your freelancing endeavors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.